Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry, here with a review today of Coda Signature Cannabis Infused Chocolate Bars. Now, this big mess you see in front of me is the after effects of a chocolate tasting party some friends and I had last night to taste these various chocolate bars. And it's a mess because, one, we were excited to taste the chocolate, but really it's a big mess like this because the folks at Coda are very, very serious, extremely serious about child-proof packaging. So these were a bear to get into. I mean, you're going to need some hardware to get into these boxes, like some scissors or a knife or something. But once we did get into those boxes, there was delicious medicated treasure inside. And these came in a bunch of flavors, and we really loved most of them, and I'll get to the ones we didn't in a minute. But there is some really creative flavors, and even some flavors that kind of sounded funky to me, like caramel and corn or coffee and donuts, and those ended up being some of my favorites. The caramel and corn has a sweet, salty thing going on, kind of like kettle corn does, that made it pretty irresistible. Coffee and donuts tasted like a milk chocolate snickerdoodle cookie, so that was good. The maple and pecan bar had a really nice, subtle undertone maple flavor that I loved. My favorite of all, though, is the fire and orange, which was a delicious orange flavored dark chocolate with just a hint of chili pepper spice. The snap and spice for me had too overpowering a flavor of ginger, but those in the group that like ginger did like that one as well. The one nobody liked, though, was the cream and crumble. That was a white chocolate bar that was meant to taste like cheesecake. Everybody thought that one kind of had a funky flavor, especially on the aftertaste. But we loved the rest of these Coda infused chocolate bars. Now, each bar has 100 milligrams of CO2 extracted THC, and each little square is a 5 milligram dose. And if you don't want to just eat your chocolate bars plain, see the links below for my recipe to dab torch s'mores, because you could use a little square of this chocolate in that recipe to make some fabulous medicated s'mores. So check out that link below. Coda Signature Chocolates, they're made from ethically sourced cacao from South America, so you can feel good about eating them. Right now they are available in California and Colorado. I hope they're going to be expanding beyond that, but right now if you're in California or Colorado, you can enjoy these fabulous gourmet chocolate bars. Eat your weed.